Munde, who is Gogo's Koteni's ex-husband and baby daddy, finally decides to respond to that TikTok video whereby he posted it with his daughter, Liana, at an Aka men's store, and he told her that my baby, one day is gonna be you up here, up there in that billboard, and even tagged Aka men's and said, please make this dream come true, tagging Aka men's, and people basically came for Umonde in the comment section saying that Uliana needs to, apply just like everyone else, just like their kids. Liana needs it to apply. And they also came into the comment section saying that if you want her to do this, better get her an agent because we too are doing that, and Umntwana Wako is not going to be getting special or preferential treatment just because she is Gogo's Koteni's daughter, a point which they totally misunderstood, as Umonde was not saying to Akamens, just take her. He was simply stating that my daughter probably has entered this whole thing. You guys, so this is Umonde trying to clarify the situation, and of course coming hard for trolls, for people who trolled her daughter. Please do check this video and engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.
Last night yonke into nje sikathaleti mina ngisazi la niyibonile le nto leyana yazi ngavela ngazithulela ngiphendule one after ngathi ayazi thi ngithulele ngazipostela ngomntanami mina ngathi umntanami ngifuna ukuthi one day abe kuma billboards we-comments, and then ngathi baby so ingenela le competition angena ama-inspector angena ama-inspector akahamba efolile ngeke asifohle guys. Luyana una-4 yazi la mntwana una-4. Imagine umdala uzobulala ama-dreams omntana ona-4 akazosifohla lo, akabuyele emuva elayinini, uyafohla lana akafola ilayini ngeke. Social media kutshengisa ukuthi kunabantu abanomoya wemkhovu. Yazi umuntu uzibuza ukuthi lo muntu lo before abhalale nto uyicabangile, wayidigesta, wayenzani, and abantu abanye banabantwana bomama. Yazi guys, abanye abantu bazi-expose la ku-social media. Into ahlule ukufihla umoya wakhe lo wenja wesikhova, yabo ma wakhe lo mubi ahluleke nokufihla. Abanye abantu baloya nje la, and akudingeki nokubaloya ngomlomo, ngeke akubone. Yasho ne-comments ibonile le nto ne, ibonile riding nga-comments. Yathi uma ingena kuma-comments yabona traffic yathi no, there's too much drama here. Oh guys, you can't be doing this, there's too much drama. Wena sobulala idream yomntana ona-4 ngomlomo ngama-thumbs wakho, sobulala idream yomntana ona-4. Comments mshosho because traffic elapho mara ithe mayibona ama-comments athi hayi bas dream yomntana ona-4 isayenzakalanga ngenxa yakho ngalo moya wakho obukhova. Bathukana nje sebathukana lapha nyamau pi papao kulwela umntana ona-4 ukuthi nje ingayenzeki le nto le. Kulwelwana la mntana ona-4 ukuthi ngeke akubone lokho, akahamba hey hlatswang pilo man, hlatswang pilo emantetela iblood. Yazi mangana mona izinto zakho nawo ziza grand, yazi ukuthi ngojabule kwabona ujabulela umuntu engathi le nto yenzeka kujabule uLiana. Yazi we've been seeing uLiana Chem. I knew ukuthi uLiana so one day uzabalamba lo mntana akudala simbona yazi mara edize hayi mina ngazi nje hayi mina ngazi nje nomoya wekhova nina mana abanye abantu bangcolile nje enhlizweni